Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Sinta Dewi Nuritasari. You can call me Sinta. I'm from FOPBIA1 English Education Department, Islamic University of Nahdlatul Ulama Jepara. My name 1813200000371. In this video, I will tell you about my summary article, a segment from Mam Aprilia Riana Putri for final test speaking for academic purposes. The title for the article is The Online Learning Good in the Midst of COVID-19 Pandemic? The Case of EFL Learners by Marcus Deli Girik Alo. Pandemic COVID-19 has a massive impact on global human life. In fact, according to a report by Suminar 2020, pandemic COVID-19 could make the global economy shrink to 1% in 2020 and could contract further in the restriction of economic activity was extended without adequate fiscal response. In Indonesia, the impact of the economic activity was the same problem. As delivered by the Indonesian Treasury Minister quoted from CNN Indonesia 2020, the COVID-19 has not been addressed. The spread is still increasing and its impact to the heavy economy. The impact on finance will continue to be heavier. Pandemic COVID-19 was felt also by the world of education. This has been recognized by the United Nations Education, Scientific and Cultural Organization (UNESCO) on Thursday. The coronavirus outbreak has impacted the education sector. Nearly 300 million students interrupt their school activities around the world and threatened their future education right. Universitas Kristen Toraja, as one of the campuses in LLDT 9, is very responsive to respond to this pandemic and took steps related to prevention of COVID-19 transmission by eliminating the activities on campus in the middle of pandemic. The study at UKI Toraja continues to run via online learning by utilizing e-campus facilities or other forms. Learning activities that were previously done by the face-to-face method in the classroom switched to the online learning system. The concept of social distancing and physical distancing requires everyone to stay home so that the spread of this virus is not expanding. Thus, both lecturers and students are expected to remain at home and still carry out the duties and responsibilities. Creative and innovative lecturers are required to keep teaching, to keep students informed or of proper education and teaching. The conclusion of this research that the learner's perception on online learning reveals that it is good in the midst of COVID-19 pandemic. They perceived online learning is very helpful in the middle of pandemic. This study not only report that online learning is good in the midst of COVID-19 pandemic, but also spots the lack on the availability of internet access, financial issue, and online learning implementation. At the learner's condition, in terms of financial issue, they hope that lecturer make use of facilities such as free messenger application in online learning system. In the lack of the availability on internet access, they said the individual tests are better to keep the distance physically due to pandemic. They need group tests to help friends who do not have an internet pulse and access. About the implementation, they hope the material and assignment must be preceded by explanation. Thus, they recommend that voice note will be effectively used when giving instruction. It implied that the material and instruction implemented by the lecturer in the online learning were not easy to use. Based on the perception of Learners in this study related to online learning in the midst of pandemic COVID-19, then should lectures look at the learner's condition in terms and of financial ability, availability of internet access for students, and selection of online learning applications that they are effective and efficient to the implementation of online learning system in UKI Toraja can run to the fulls. So that's all my explanation. I hope you can enjoy with my video and I hope it can be useful for us. I'm sorry if I have many mistakes. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.